What is good? 6R140, big ass transmission off of this 2016 F250 Super Duty. I think I can carry this. Oh shit. Oh, come on, baby. God damn. Now this bad boy, we're doing a complete overhaul on this. Big ass torque converter, we'll get this brand new from the dealer. And this guy needs to get taken apart, right? Alright, so 8mm. Womp womp. Now it's crazy how little of bolts this transmission has. Alright, so that's all the 8mm right here. This is the tranny itself. Got 3 8s, or just, oh, no, we got 3 8s for sure. 3 8s. Filter. And I got some electronics right here. We have a neutral safety switch. Right there. Now this valve body literally just has 3 fucking bolts. How fucking crazy is that? Engineers, I thank you for that one. Now we got a little 30 Torx right here in the back. Couple right here. This little plug we are going to push down on these clips, wiggle it in, and pop it out just like that. So these connectors, we're just going to pull them out. Just like that, make a mess with it. How beautiful is that, right? Whoa, where are you going? Linkage. And the valve body just like that is out. So when the dealers charge you like thousands of dollars to change this thing, just for labor, it's kind of crazy.